One of the news of GitHub Universe was the fact that Copilot can now support and use different models, Claude, Gemini, O1 Preview. Let me show you how you use and how you activate this feature. So you can find in the blog post many information, including a link to the documentation, in this case to the Claude Sonnet model that is still in tech preview. So let's switch to the IDE. If your developer doesn't see Copilot or doesn't see the different models, it's because a model has not been enabled for your organizations or for your enterprise. So the administrator that is managing the Copilot configuration just go to the settings of this organization or enterprise. In the Copilot section, where you can see also who has access to GitHub Copilot, so I see my user has access to Copilot from this organization, I can click on Policies, and you will see all the configurations you can enable or disable at the organization level. Some of them have been configured at the enterprise level, like for example, the extension support and suggestion matching code. In this case, I will just enable Claude and O1 model. When it's done, the developer now have access to GitHub Copilot chat to this model in VS Code. So let's switch back to VS Code and see if I can access the models. As you can see, I don't have a new drop-down here. It's just because I need to refresh a window. So you can restart the VS Code or reload the developer window, and now you will see the models. Now I can use Copilot chat like you have done before or in Copilot edits and use a specific model to ask a specific questions to get some help. And you can compare which one will be the most interesting in the case of your specific task. So not only you can use Copilot models in your IDs, but you can also use the different models inside your Copilot in your browser. So when you are browsing source code or when you are going to /Copilot, you can see all the history of your conversations, and you can select the same model in your browser to interact with your source code. Thanks for watching.